How to block Instagram app on iPhone. To get started, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Here, you can get insights about your screen time and set limits as needed. Adults can also set parental controls for a child's device. You can also get insights about your personal screen time and set limits as needed. Now, scroll down to the Limit Usage section and tap on App Limits. App Limits lets you set daily time limits for app categories you want to manage. You can add more limits if you want using the Add Limit option. Then, tap on any app category from here. For example, Social. And then, select the app you want to set limits on. For example, Instagram. After that, tap on Next above. Here, choose the time limit. You can also choose custom days as shown. Once you're done, tap on the tick icon. Limits reset every day at midnight. If you don't want any limits, then turn off the app limit switch at the top. Following these steps, you can easily block Instagram app on iPhone.